Okay, guys, be patient with me. I'm going to try to show you how to set up a recurring meeting in Zoom that happens every day so that you can set it up the way you would have set up the Google Hangout Meet so that your kids can use that for your office hours. So, the first thing you're going to do is you need to go to the Chrome Web Store. So, let me show you what that's going to look like. Go up here, Chrome Web Store. And when you get to the Chrome Web Store, you are going to look for the extension Zoom Calendar Scheduling. And this one is going to pop up. This one, whoops, stop that. This one right here is the one you want, that one. So you're going to click Add to Chrome. And then you're going to click Add Extension. And then you're going to wait. Okay, extension has been added to Chrome. That went, whoops. Sorry, I'm using a new pen interface and I'm not used to how it functions yet, and it's causing me some challenges. Okay, so once you have that scheduler, which is going to look like this, you're going to click it. You're going to sign in with Google. And you're going to click, make sure it's your JSD Tracy one, and you're going to click Schedule a Meeting. Then you're going to put in, this little window is going to pop up. You're going to put in that this is a meeting ID. You're going to say, do you want to use a one-time meeting ID or use personal meeting ID? You want this personal meeting ID to be clicked because that will allow you to only create this once and not have to do it over again every single time you want to have one of your student office hours. You don't want to require a meeting password. You do want video to be clicked for host and participant. You want audio to be for both. You do not want enable join before host. And the reason we don't want that is because we don't want the kids interacting unsupervised in that space if they get in there before us. I recommend mute participants upon entry so that they have to either deliberately unmute or wait for you to unmute them so that you have time to talk at the beginning. Enable waiting room means that if they check in before you're ready, it will just give them a waiting screen so that they aren't kicked out. And record the meeting automatically on your local computer. The district is very clear. They want you recording every meeting. We're doing it too. It's for all of our own protection so that a parent can't come back and say that we said something strange or something weird happened. And then you're going to include the join URL in the location field. So you want all those things clicked. Then click continue. And it will give you this screen. You are going to name your meeting. I actually saved a document. Hold on. This is my temp file with the name of my meeting. I'm just going to click over. Zoom meeting assistant, Chrome Web Store. Where'd it go? Ah, there we go. It's the calendar tab. In case you have trouble finding it later, it's the calendar tab. Okay, so I'm going to put in the name of the meeting, which is long. And you'll see that what I put in is starting with my name, then student only office hours. And I always want you to use those words, student only office hours, every day, 1 to 2 p.m. Then click your dates to get it started. Put your times. 1 to 2 p.m. Set as your final date, the most distant date it will let you, which I believe, or the end of our school year. I would say, I'm just going to put May 26th because I believe that's the end of our school year. Where it says does not repeat, you want to change that to daily, or excuse me, not daily. You want to change that to every weekday, Monday through Friday. So you've got your date starting, your date ending, you've got your hour, you've got every weekday. You don't need to add conferencing because you already have the join Zoom meeting right there. Notifications are for it to notify you or anyone else. I do like to have a notification in there just about, for me, I prefer about 15 minutes before the meeting is going to start. So if I want to grab a drink or go to the bathroom or whatever, you can assign a color to yours. And I also saved a file to put information in down here for the kids. So I'm going to click back over to that. Here's my explanation of what I want them to see. So I'm going to put that in here above the explanation that this is a Zoom meeting. Then I've got everything. I've got my dates and times. I've got that it's daily. I've got the Zoom meeting is there, my notification, my color, all of this. Over here, guests, invite others, see guest list. You can see that as it is, doesn't matter. And then that's it. So I'm going to click save. And you will now see that it is showing student-only office hours across the calendar. Now, what I don't understand is why it's showing it on Saturdays and Sundays when that very clearly said that it was weekdays only. So I'm a little confused about that. Bear with me while I go in and look at this. Weekly on weekdays. Yeah. I don't know why it's looking like that in the calendar. It's probably fine unless you're really stressed about it showing it that way. And so now it should be there. So what I'm going to do now is go into Google Classroom. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I'm going to go to Online Classes General. That is the room in which I want you posting your office hours. I'm going to go to Classwork. I'm going to create, actually, I'm not going to create a new one. I'm going to go in here to the office hours students and see if I can edit it. Well, no, because I need to show you, so I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to create an material. And I'm going to give that description again that I already saved. Now let me go back and grab the title. There's my title. And I'm going to go back to this screen. Title, boom. Okay, so I have my title. I have my description. I am going to say that it is for all students, and my topic is office hours students. You guys are going to use that same topic, office hours students, but yours should say your name and then student only office hours every day and your time. Okay. Then for add, I need the Zoom link. So I'm going to go back and grab that. Let's see. I don't need all these extra screens. So I'm going to go back into calendar. I'm going to go here. There's the Zoom link. So I'm going to copy that. Copy, Control C. And then I'm going to go back to Classroom. I'm going to add link, Control V to put the link in, add the link. And there's launch Zoom meeting. So the kids will be able to find that when they log in. Then, because I don't want them to be able to do this yet, I'm not going to click post. I'm going to click schedule. And I'm going to schedule this to go live on April 6th at 8 a.m. Schedule. Okay, now you'll see there are two of them now. So now we only have my Zoom one that is in there and it's live, ready to go for Monday. So that's how you do it. Okay, so I hope that works for everyone, and I will see you later.